how to apply for a driving license online in Australia. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a driving license online in Australia. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Ensure you meet the eligibility requirements which vary by state. Generally, you must be of the legal driving age, meet residency requirements, and pass vision and knowledge tests. Go to my.gov.au and log into your MyGov account or create one if you don't have it yet. Link your MyGov account to your state's road transport authority if necessary. In MyGov or directly through your state's transport website like Service NSW, PicRoads, or TMR for Queensland, navigate to the driving license application section. Select the type of driving license you're applying for, such as a learner's permit, provisional license, or full license. Each license type has specific requirements and stages. Fill out the application form with accurate details, including your personal information, contact details, and residency status. Provide digital copies of required identification documents, such as your passport, proof of address, and residency status. Each state has specific requirements, so check the document list carefully. Complete the payment for your license application fees through the portal. Fees vary based on your state and the type of license you're applying for. Double check all the information in your application for accuracy, then submit it. You'll receive a confirmation message once it's submitted successfully. Once you complete any required tests, wait for the Road Transport Authority to process your application. Upon approval, you'll receive a digital or physical copy of your license. That's all for the video.